Hey there, welcome back guys. This video, special thanks to Ed for sending us the DJI Mic 3. I didn't even know there was a 3. I thought it was always mini. But without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see if this thing actually works and will work out just right for you. We'll compare it to the original DJI Mic 2. Does bigger always mean better? I don't know. All right, so this is it here. Here's our little packaging. So small though, so chiquito. I think chiquito. Let's see what we have here. Let's open it up. Nice packaging. Little baggies. We're a big fan of everything bagged. Usually they have cardboard. Oh, look what we have here. Some stickers if you're a fanboy. We're actually recording this video with the DJI Mic 2. Let's see the accessories before we get into the big box stuff. Breaking the seals. What is this? Okay, so it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. It has a little jack thingy. Oh, nice. This one looks pretty big. Look, this little, not sure what that is to be honest with you, but it looks good to me. Oh, nice. Wind stoppers or little goatees, as we call it, like we have over here for our mic. Just don't want to drop anything. To get that excellent sound, to make it sound like radio. Leave that over there. So it does come with two. We'll check those out. Nice. Another baggie. Lots of bags. Be a bag man. Little tags here. I guess we can cut that, right? Can't return it since it was sent to us anyway. Nice cushiony, not as hard, but doesn't really need to be hard. The original one was hard in the Mic 2, but it fit everything in there anyway. I will compare the size. Inside this bag is, oh wow, little magnets. I didn't even know that. Magnets. So look, check for the magnets. The magnets should have been in another packaging, but instead the magnets were in here. So be careful there. I don't know if they're spare or not. It looks like there's another seal here. Nice. We'll put that over there and see what we got. Oh, nice. Charged. Look, it comes fully charged. And you might have one bar. I remember this one, when I got it, it came fully charged. And we have here one. Wow, so small. Whoops. Really small. Okay. Kind of neat. Really lightweight. Doesn't feel premium, but you know, it is what it is. Then we have, oh, I guess it goes in like that. And then this goes in like that. Interesting how the Bluetooth is on. And on the original one, it had to be green in order to see them all. I guess it's Bluetooth and whatever frequency all the time. And then we have here, let's see if that turns on. There's like a little barcode. I guess for startup, it says download the app, scan it with your camera. Let's see if we pull it out and if it will connect automatically. If you want to access the menu to make things better, so in order for this to connect to here and there, what you want to do is press that link button once. When you press it, watch, it'll turn blue. Or sorry, when you double tap it, see, it turns blue. And now it's, oh wow, interesting. Now it's connected to the camera. So we got two mics connected to the camera, which is Mic 1, Mic 2, which is really interesting. So you can connect DJI Mic 3 and DJI Mic 2 to your Osmos Action 5. If I get my phone right here, you'll see that we have two mics connected. So no, let's go into the camera and go here and then shrink this. And as you can see, we got two mics. See the little, right? Mic 1 and Mic 2 is right there. Mic 1 and, well, Mic 1, see that? Mic 1 and the other one, Mic 2. Mic 2, wow, Mic 2 is not as fabulous as Mic 1. Knowing that, moving forward, to get back out of that menu, just double tap here. And see, now it's back and it's connected here. Now, if you want to see the settings I use for here, just press this once, right? And then as you can see, we're on TX2. And if we scroll that way, I have that one off, but I have it set to bright. You do have bright, regular, and rich, but I like it bright. It was set to default on bright, and this one I don't use. It's right here, basic. I don't want basic. Strong. Let's just leave it like that. And that was the audio that we saw in Final Cut Pro, which is just phenomenal. You play with it, you figure out, what works right for you. So we'll pull this out. I like to have it always ready to go. So let's pull. This is not easy to pull out. Wow, really hard to come out. And there's only one way to do it. See, that should slide in to here. But it's not. Oh, wow, look, the in and out for the jack. That's probably what this is for. Attach it to your camera for the out. Wow. They really, maybe use this thing like a little piece of plastic. Don't use metal. Yay. See? Wow, that's hard, though. You're going to have a little trouble. I'm strong, too, but good luck getting that out. But I like to leave this ready for our Friday night flight so I could just put it into my controller. Hopefully, it'll go away. Sweet, it goes away. Nice. And then now, let's see what we got. Click confirm again. Yay, we got it. So let's link the other one up. So just turn it off like I did and then turn it on. And then press this link button right there. A little bit different than the DJI Mic too, because I unboxed it and it was ready to use. All right, so there we go. Linking, remember, turn that off. Now we're good to go. The mics are connected to this thing, so I should see mic 1, mic 2. You might want to turn the gain up on this one to 10, right? And then the other one to 12. Because remember, if you have two people talking, if you're going to be doing a group thing, then it's better to do it that way. But if you're not, just set them both to the same. Mine are going to be set to, so I just put them back in the box. Jack and, oh, nice. It vibrates when it does that, but let's see. I don't need for it to record. I must have pressed it accidentally. Let's put it back in and pretend I just arrived on site and see what we got. Just pull them out from like there. It's a little tricky because if you have big fingers like mine, you will accidentally hit the record button like I just did, which is, fine or not fine depending on your experience. Might want to mark these with tape so I know which one's for my phone, which one's for my designated experience. Nice, and there's where, see, we'll just do that. Remember, there are magnets, which we didn't find. It was like a surprise. But let's see. Oh, nice. Sort of. There's a clip if we turn it. And then there's the magnet. I'm not sure which one I would use, to be honest with you. A little bit not so premium. Probably use this one. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with those because they don't really stick on too well. I don't know, maybe on my shirt. This is how I normally do it. Oh, okay, it works. It just doesn't feel like when you stick them together, it doesn't feel like it's doing what it's supposed to, but when you put it under your shirt, it does. You feel the magic, but I don't feel like it's as strong as the other one. Like, see, like this one right here behind me. It's a more robust magnetized system. All right, so whoops, good luck getting those off. Whoops, see, I accidentally hit the record button again. Yeah, I guess I'll do that. Let's see if it goes back in. Nope, they don't go back in with its magnetic feature. So it's one or the other. So we have this connected. I don't use this unless it's connected to my drone, which is fine, but look, it's set up and ready to go. For me, this is my setup. I'll just pick a mic and, put some pink tape or whatever tape on it I have. So I know which one is which. So when I turn it on, it's always connecting to whichever device I want. Download, scan, QR code. It's fine. I don't need to. It's too bad there's no option, don't show again. So let's see what settings we have. We have M for the mono, which is fine. Full connection bar. If you see here, like it's green, that means, we're close to it. If we're further away, that would probably be a little bit smaller. And then now we'll go down, RX, M. See, I have M for mono. And the gain, loss audio, don't need that. Auto on, off, that's fine, I'll leave that. Auto off, leave that. This one, the other one goes auto off too. Environment, See, we have indoor, outdoors. I set it for outdoors. It's fine. Let's try the other one. Let's try in the TX. Maybe it doesn't let us set the gain unless you're in the RX. Okay. So we'll go here, gain. See, now we have gain. See, so here it's set to 12, which is fine, because for some reason on the DJI Mic 2, you have it set to 12 and the volume is really low. And then on 2, well, 2 is not here. Let's see what we have on 2. For me, I'm going to have them both set the same because I'm not doing any interviews. See, gain is set to 12. Okay, so then it really wouldn't matter which one I get. Adaptive gain control is on. I don't know, it's out of the box, so 32-bit float, that's nice. That's on, okay. And then file option, it's fine, I'm not into that. Start up audio recording, no, I don't do that because low power audio recording, that's fine. Loop recording, it'll just loop, no need for that, leave that. I wonder what, when I press it, what is it? It's on, okay, loop recording's on. Low power looks like it's on. These are all the defaults. See, I gotta press it again. All right, low cut is on. We just did gain. So it looks like, probably because it's smaller, that's why, you know, it backs out really easily. Keep going, rec. Nice, noise cancellation via button. We've done that, it works really well. It works okay, but it does cancel out everything if you need. If you're outside, you definitely want that feature. So it isolates your voice, and I have to say it is phenomenal. LED indicator, and then transmitter auto off, and then what other options we have here? Scroll there, delete all transmitters. We don't want to do that, and then go here. Time code. For me, I don't use a time code, but you can. For us, we just clap. We go 1, 2, 3, and we sync the clap from here, sync the clap from there, and then sync the clap from whatever source we're recording from. Then we have app connect. Connecting to app will disconnect. No, it's okay, we're not going to connect to the app. And then you have general. See, brightness. And then you have language. Then you have date and time. Then you have factory reset. Then you have version. Kind of neat, huh? Let's connect it to the phone and see what kind of audio we get. I'm going to put this part away and leave that like that. See, it's flashing. It's not connected to anything. I'm just going to push everything over here to the computer so that you guys can see. It will connect to the iPhone, but you're not going to be able to record your voice, like get that powerful kick, unless you use an app called Blackmagic. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings and Bluetooth. And my watch is connected, but we want to press this button right here so that it's linking, okay? And then if we scroll down to the bottom, see DJI Mic 3. And there it is. Now wait for it, it's connected. Now the only downside, it's connected, but you're not gonna get that. I know, because it's a DJI thing. I have a support ticket in with that mic, and I asked them and they said, no, it won't work. So watch. First we need to go to the camera. Actually, let's go to the iPhone camera, right? This is, press record. This is me with the Mic 3 on the iPhone, talking into the mic that says it's connected, but am I really getting audio? I don't know. Now I'm gonna speak into the speaker. This is the speaker, right? Hello, speaker. You are not me. The things that I will go through. All right, so that was that, right? In order to really get your audio to work with this DJI mic, or any DJI mic, you're gonna have to do this. What is it? Blackmagic. There we go. As you can see, by default, it's gonna do the iPhone, right? But we don't want that. So you're gonna go into settings, and then from settings, you're gonna go into audio source, not sauce, but source, okay? And then press DJI Mic 3, and now, when you go back into media, camera, see, the DJI Mic 3 is connected, and you know it is because when we record, we're gonna get that nice audio, and I'll put it right here to see how it records. This is a test to see if, can I turn the camera around? No, it just doesn't let you flip the camera. We'll let her speak for us. Or maybe, so that's the only downside, is that you can't flip the camera while recording, but let me spin it around. Oh yeah, I can see from here. Hi, I have the DJI mic on my chest, and this is it. And this is me talking into it here, into my mouthpiece, and this is me with it here, as you can see, right? And then now it recorded the audio we wanted. Why it does that, I don't know. If they say it's compatible with the phone, it is, but it isn't, because you'll see the proof is in the pudding. We'll leave that like that. So I'm going to shut this one off. Actually, you don't have to. There is no power off. That's really weird. And there is no jack. You don't know jack. There's no jack. What if I have a lavalier mic? Good luck with that. Yeah, so what's this for? I guess it's for the other thing. Or I guess you would just record the audio from in here, have it set to auto record, but that is really weird. All right, so, but that's okay. I don't use the lavalier mic anyway. I do have one, but I don't know. Look at this, it's so small. You can work the magic that way. Let's quit it, okay? And then go to Black Magic, and then now, see, it should go into the other, oh, there we go. See, yay, it did it, except now the phone is upside down. So if that happens, just quit it, and then you could say, welcome back to everything that glitches. And then we'll go here, force portrait, we're gonna do force landscape right. See, and then it works in that mode. When it does. When it doesn't, just quit it, and you can go back. We have all the technical features on there, and there we go. So we're gonna drop the bomb on the first one. So this clip right here is recorded with the iPhone, with the DJI mic connected to the iPhone, but it's not really connected, because in order to have the full experience, you have to be using Black Magic, which is done here, here, and here. But this one, as you can see, we'll have a listen. I'm talking into the DJI Mic 3. Am I really getting audio? I don't know. Now I'm going to speak into... But no audio is being pushed to the camera by default. And as you can see, as I continue to press play, I'm going to be talking into the speaker. This of the iPhone. This is the speaker, right? Hello, speaker. You are not me. The things that I will go through. But the DJI Mic 2 or 3 is connected, and this is the experience you get. Now with Black Magic connected, this clip right here is the DJI Mic 2. Now by default, the DJI Mic 2 will record your audio really low. In order to get the full experience, you gotta bring it up a notch. See, now it's there. Command Z, undo. So again, by default, the DJI Mic 2 audio is really low. But we'll have a listen. It still plays relatively good, because I've been using it for many years. 2, I can't really get the number 2 on here. DJI Mic 2, it's on my chest. I'm looking at you. Hi, welcome to my show, to my channel. We're gonna show you. But as you can see, nothing compares to what we're about to see right now. And did I mess with this one? Nope. Look at that. You would think that see how you bring it up to get the full experience. DJI Mic 2 right over here. Show to my channel, we're going to show you. Press Command Z. By default, DJI Mic 3 automatically records your audio at an optimal level, which is great. I don't know why they didn't do this the first time. Hi, I have the DJI mic on my chest, and this is it. And this is me talking into it here, into my mouthpiece. And this is it with me in my hand. And I can bring it up more and bring it louder. And this is it. And this is me talking into it here. Good luck doing that with DJI Mic 2. So now moving forward, the last clip right over here, right, with the DJI Mic 3 on my chest. This is a test to see if the microphone works. We're actually testing out the Mic 3 with my chest, on my chest, with the, what do they call it? And we'll bring it up some. Maybe it's too low, but I doubt it is. The catnip or goatee or windstopper, whatever you want. Put it back the way it was. The catnip or goatee or windstopper, or whatever you want to call it. Dead cat on the mic. And hopefully, kind of neat, huh? Never thought speaking through the mic would ever be so great again. It will connect Mic 2, Mic 3 to your phone, but in order to see the magic, you're going to need Black Magic. Close, don't get too close. That's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. and we'll see you all next time.